Welcome to John's Workshop Diary. In this video I'm going to show you some of the work I've been doing just recently on the Travelhome. Hope you enjoy the video. Right, the plan for today is to just drop them down and clean all this off so I can get it all nicely varnished, because I never varnished it when I put it all in first, so I'm going to get that all cleaned up today and varnished. I'll put you over there. Right, got that all rubbed down. Good enough anyway for how I want it. I think it's quite smooth. Most of the scratches out of it. Use some yacht varnish now. See if we get it looking all nice and smart. Right, we'll leave that to dry. We'll probably give it a couple of more coats and see how that goes. Right. Right, I've changed the brake slave cylinder today in the van. We've got this, which is supposed to be new old stock. All there, looks like. That's all there. Got the wheels off already. Now I've got to do is get this thing off. That's gonna be fun. Really good spray. WD. Right, we're just going to see if I can get a better screwdriver. Right, finally got all that off. There. Had to take the whole hub off. Still just the brake drum, but it's off now. I just got that to change for that. Hope it's the right one. Right, let's get on with that. I've been doing a bit of work in the van. Put a nice new solar panel charge controller in. This is the original one. What this van's got is got 3 solar panels on the roof, but one just is like a 12-volt one which runs the fans behind the fridge, and there's one in the bathroom. Now what I've done, I used to have the 2 solar panels, the 2 big ones going into this, but what I've done now is split them. This one charges the batteries in the back of the van, which are down there, and then this one charges the batteries which are under the bonnet now. So, because what I used to have to do when we parked up, we used to switch this switch off, which used to disconnect the batteries from the front. So now I've got a constant charge. So the smaller solar panel of the two big ones is that one, and that's just charging the front batteries all the time now, so even when we're parked up. And then this one charges the batteries in the back, which runs all the lighting in the back, and any electric light pumps and all that. But that's what we've been busy on, putting all nice new controller in. I may swap out this one for another one of these eventually, but see how the money goes on that. Right, so that's up to date now. Next thing I'm going to do is put a camera in the front behind the window, so we've got a camera recording all the time. So I'm going to get on with that now. Right, see you in a bit. Right, got the dash cam all fitted. It's a blackview. It's not a new camera, it's one I've had for a few years. I've decided to put it in here now. Plumbed it all in down there. I've put some black trunking down here, which I've siliconed to the post. Looks like it matches in quite well, and the wires go down there. And then I've plugged it all into this box here, which is plugged in behind the dash, so we can plug USBs and that in. So that's all that sorted. Right, I'm going to put some videos up of the footage from the dash cam along the Horseshoe Pass. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Right, and I'll catch you on the next one.